That is not what we're supposed to get. Alright, hold up. We're just gonna boop, boop. Bog. Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing how to make one of these icosahedrons. I know in the title it says icosahedron, that's wrong. Basically it's a 20-sided polyhedron, and it's a popular shape used to make the 20-sided dice. So that's used for all kinds of things, board games, role-playing games, the like. And yeah, I saw this YouTube creator, DrStrangelove. They made a very clever video showing a very simple way of making this, and I thought it was really cool, so I thought I would share it. But if you do want to check out their video, it's a lot shorter. You can just click on the thing I'm going to put right over here. And I'll also leave a link to their channel in the video description. So let's get making. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select a plane in which to draw a circle, which we're going to use to make a sphere. And then we are going to make a triangle. So we're going to choose edge polygon. We want 3 edges, which is going to be a triangle. And we are going to make this vertical. Nope, that's horizontal. Alright. That is also horizontal. I wonder if I can rotate it? No, that's not a likely option. Alright, I'll just make this one vertical. Now we're going to put a line through here, perpendicular to this vertical one. And we are going to make these points vertical. And we're going to make this coincident with here. Alright, then what we're going to do is we're going to draw out some lines. So this is going to go here, this is going to go here, this is going to go here, and then boom, and boom. Alright, I know it looks weird right now, but we're going to get around that. And we're going to use some constraints to make it all make sense. So 4 of these sides are going to be identical to this bisecting line for the triangle, like that. I guess this isn't coincident, so that's something I should fix. Hold up. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay. And now we're going to make these 2 equal. Let's see if we can play around with this so that it kind of makes sense here. All right. Maybe we're getting somewhere. Maybe not. All right. Looks like we're just gonna have to Control Z it into kind of the correct shape before we do anything else. So let's just try and make this work out like that. All right. That's a little bit better. So that is one thing. A lot of the time, CAD programs are gonna like try and figure out what it is they think you want, and they're not gonna get it right. So that's just something where you're gonna have to play around with it and try and figure out how to get it right. Alright, and this is the last line we need. All that needs to be done is make that coincident with the origin. Now it's all defined, it's just scaling now. So we can make it bigger or smaller. Alright, and one of the cool things about this process is that it's only one sketch. So this is the only sketch we're going to need to, make this icosahedron. So we're just going to finish sketch and select some profiles so that we can make our sphere. And then we are going to extrude cut. Let's see, some more profiles. It's going to be symmetric and through all. So we're going to get that. And then the last thing we're going to do is we are going to create a circular pattern. And I'm praying this works. Of this around this axis. We're going to make 5 of them. And boom, we have what I hope, an icosahedron. So you can make this into a 20-sided die or whatever. But yeah, that's how it is done. And no, I did not come up with this method myself. As I said before, DrStrangelove made it. It's really cool. Once again, check out their video, check out their channel. Awesome stuff. But yeah, this was really fun to make and really cool to make. I mean, it's such a complicated structure and you can just make it with one sketch, which I think is just amazing. But yeah, thanks for watching and, I don't know, keep catting, guys. I'll see you around.